Assalamu alaikum students. Our second video and today we are going to discuss question number 4. Define the following wave motion and their component. तो स्टूडेंट्स आज की वीडियो बहुत अहम है इसमें वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू दैट दिस फिगर नाउ हियर यू कैन सी a wave and this part is called crust and the height from the mean point is called amplitude and this wave goes down and then come up. So there are number of waves are here. So the lower part is called trough and the upper part is called crest and the height from mean point to the highest point that is called amplitude. And here are the this point where I am my cursor is here. I'm making a round and this point. So this point is called wavelength, or we can say that if we will take trough from this point to this point, this is called wavelength. So all these important terms we are going to discuss here in this video. So, first of all, we are discussing a transverse wave. Now, the figure which I have shown you, that is a type of a transverse wave which go up and down. So, what is the actual definition of transverse wave? Transverse waves that travel in the direction perpendicular to the direction of wave motion shown in the figure. So here we can say the wave move up and down, but the energy will transfer from this equilibrium line. Now, the second is amplitude. Now, the amplitude is a maximum displacement moved by a point on the vibrating body from the rest of mean position. Now this line where my cursor is, you can see, so this is a mean line from here to upside or from here to downside. That is called amplitude and it is denoted by X and its SI unit is meter. Now, next definition is crest. The positive and upper part of the waves is crest. So this portion we can take positive part or that is also called crest or upper part. So this is upper part of the wave is called crest. Now we have a trough. Now the lower part or negative part of the wave is called trough. Now another type of wave. So for this, I am going to explain you the figure first. This type of wave is called longitudinal waves. The longitudinal waves are different from the transverse waves. Now you can see here, there is a spring shown here and there is a part which is close to each other that is called compression. And the second part which have a part having some distance that is called a rarefaction. So, a longitudinal wave have two main component. One is compression and second is called rarefaction. So, longitudinal waves. The wave that travel in the direction parallel to the direction of wave motion as shown in the figure. Here in this, the matter and energy both will having same direction. That is called longitudinal waves. And it has compression. So there is a definition of compression. Compression in a longitudinal waves, the region where the particle are closer together than the average. एवरेज से अगर हम देखें तो क्लोजर पार्ट जो है दैट इज कॉल्ड कंप्रेशन एंड अनदर The next thing is rarefaction. Rarefaction in a longitudinal waves. eh, This is the region where the particles are further apart than the average. एवरेज से जो पार्टिकल्स हैं वो दूर हैं, वेव्स जो है यहाँ पर इस रीजन पे जहाँ पे मैं अपना कर्सर मूव कर रहा हूँ, ये रेयर फ्रैक्शन कहलाते हैं। तो इस डेफिनेशन के अंदर, मतलब इस वीडियो के अंदर हमने जो है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 को डिस्कस किया है, जिसमें हमने ट्रांसवर वेव्स और इसके कंपोनेंट यानी एम्पलीट्यूड,